You've created your AI music, but do you know how to monetize it or protect it? So that whenever someone uses it on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, the revenue goes directly to you. Even if their channels aren't monetized, you'll still earn from it. Do you realize how powerful this is? Check out this video. See the music in it? Look at this short. Notice the copyright indication here? That means all the ad revenue from this video goes straight to the artist who created the music, or the copyright owner, which could be you. Some people might have their music trending without even knowing it, perhaps in another region of the world. So, before you post your music online, consider copywriting it. Most distributors reject AI music from being copyrighted, but it's actually legal to do so. We'll be using a service called audioprotect.odoo.com. AudioProtect isn't a distributor, it's a content ID provider. You might wonder, what's the difference? Well, a distributor sends your music to streaming platforms like Spotify, but it doesn't copyright it because there's no need. After all, not just anyone can upload your music to platforms like Apple Music and Spotify. So, distributors won't protect your music. They will just distribute your music to Spotify, Apple Music, and so on. A Content ID provider, however, specializes in registering your music in the Content ID systems of the 4 major user-generated content (UGC) platforms: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. These are platforms where anyone can upload and use content like videos and reels, often with any music they choose. The Content ID system detects your music and sends the revenue directly to you as the copyright owner. Now let's head over to audioprotect.odoo.com. The link is in the description. As you'll see, they accept AI music and will protect and copyright it on social media. You'll also have full control over your music, allowing you to remove copyright claims if you want to monetize your own channel by whitelisting it. They offer 3 plans: $15 for unlimited track protection for 1 month, $50 for 6 months, or $65 for an entire year. The $65 plan is the best deal since it saves you $115 and provides a full year of unlimited track protection. Plus, as long as you're subscribed, you'll keep 100% of the revenue, no cuts taken. And if you decide not to renew after a year, you'll still earn 80% of the revenue. It's great because you're not locked into a subscription forever. Honestly, this is why I chose to subscribe to AudioProtect. Not only do they accept AI-generated music, but they also don't lock you into a subscription like most distributors do. But before making this video, I wanted to give you all a gift to celebrate this channel reaching 2,000 subscribers with less than 10 videos. So I reached out to them via email to ask for a discount code for my YouTube audience. And they came through. Here's a huge 30% off discount code for the first 3 users. To get started, purchase the subscription by clicking here and make sure to use your primary email because after purchasing, you'll receive a link to your dashboard in your inbox. Once you complete the purchase, first you'll receive a license key, save it, or just take a screenshot because you'll need it later. Now check your email inbox. You will receive this email. And here is your secret login key. Copy it and head to the portal. Type your login key, and this is your dashboard. I have a lot of tracks, but when you first open it, there won't be any tracks. If you want to protect a track, just scroll down to the client portal. Enter your login key here. Then you will see a bunch of requests. You can protect a new track, remove a copyright claim from a video, whitelist your channel, or remove all your tracks if you want to opt out. To add a new track, enter your artist name, title, album, and record label, which can be your artist name or your company name. For the songwriter, only use your legal first and last name. Then upload the music and hit submit. From there, anyone who uses your music will generate revenue that you can track in the reports panel. That's it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know if you want more tutorials on monetizing AI music.